Der Chat, ich starte jetzt, oder? Walla Lüge, er sagt eine Mission. Ja, einfach Intro kurz angucken. Einfach Intro kurz gucken, oder? Ich gucke jetzt einfach mal. Ich weiß nicht, was passiert noch. Ne? Wir gucken jetzt mal rein. Wir freuen uns. Ich freue mich mega auf das Spiel. Ich habe das Original gespielt, damals auf dem PC noch, vor 20 Jahren wahrscheinlich ungefähr. Boah. Und ich habe das sehr gut in Erinnerung, das Spiel. Ich freue mich. Ich muss aber noch Joghurt essen.
Ja, 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 ja. Aha, aha.
Ja, Bounce. YouTube, was läuft? Mafia, Definitive Edition, Let's Play mit dem Bounce. Yay, yay. Ein Like wäre geil. Ein Abo wäre geil. Du bist geil. Wir geben uns hart, oder? Wir gehen hart rein. Gegner sind tödlich. Polizei mischt sich häufig ein. Weniger. Ich muss kurz, warte mal. Wir machen jetzt Trick 77. Wir gucken. Wir müssen gucken, ob ich hier wegen Dingens, oder? Jetzt machen wir hier Trophäen-Zeug. Spiel mittel oder schwer? Auf klassisch abgeschlossen. Ja, natürlich. Ja, natürlich. Das Rennen auf Schwierklasse. Ja, natürlich. Ja, wir spielen klassisch. Wir spielen natürlich klassisch. Ja, ist ja klar. Ist ja klar. Wir gehen rein jetzt. Hey, Let TV lurk, jetzt geht los jetzt. Hier. Wahnsinnig. Bist du des Wahnsinns? Nee, aber danke, viel Spaß. Mach's dir bequem backstage. Das wird episch. Wie heißt es nochmal? Empire Bay oder so? Ich weiß noch, am Anfang musst du irgendwie, glaube ich, irgendwelchen Schnaps von Kanada schmuggeln oder so. Das ist einfach geil, Mann. Der Paulie. In jedem Mafia-Film, da gibt's immer einen Paulie. Es gibt immer einen Paulie. Einen Frankie und einen Johnny und einen... weiß ich was. Tommy natürlich. Frankie natürlich. Bella Poppa. Oh, das ist etwas vom Lastwagen. Ah, Lost Heaven heißt's, oder? Empire Bay, habe ich gesagt. Heißt es Lost Heaven? Hey Speck! Hey, vielen Dank. Schlaf gut, mach's gut. Schön, dass du da warst. Hausch rein. Erhol dich gut. Und bis zum nächsten Mal vielleicht.
Tommy.
Tommy.
Thomas Angelo. Detective Norman.
Tommy Angelo.
You alone? No self-respecting badges coming in here unless it's the health inspector.
What can I get you?
Just a coffee. Thanks. Dip your beak. No, thanks. Suit yourself. So, yeah. Said on the phone you might have
Viel
a
Spaß in Kaffee.
proposition for me. That's right. Well, if you're looking to set up a gravy train, you called the wrong cop. I'm not looking for any, associates. Good. Because I'm on the nut. Can't even pay for the coffee. But I got plenty to trade. Let's hear it. How long you been in town? 3 years. Caught my teeth in Empire Bay.
Doch,
Well, they handed you the Morello case. Right out of the gate. That's what the paper says, ain't it? And what's it to you? Tough break. Case must be getting pretty cold by now. Or you got something might warm it up? Yeah. I might have
Voll
some.
Snitch oder was?
And what's my end of the deal? You want money? Some sort of immunity? None of that. I got people I need to protect. Families. Always the Achilles heel, ain't it? So who you got? A sick ma or a wife and a litter of kids? Wife and daughter. And no one else to watch your back, I'm guessing. Wouldn't be here otherwise. Pity that. Pa always said a man needs friends if he's going to survive in this world. Yeah. Well, in my world, it's the other way around. No surprise there. Look, I can't promise anything for your family, not until I hear what you're trading. So, are you talking? Or are you just killing time before they come for you? You think I'm on the run? Oh, I know it, Tommy. Jesus, look at you. Surely gassed. You haven't slept for days. And your neck's got to be aching from all that looking over your shoulder you're doing. No, the way I figure it is you got someone powerful mean on your tail and they ain't giving up until you end up in the river. And you walk out that door without me, we both know you're not making it 5 steps. But, yeah, you stick around, you tell me your story, and maybe you got a shot at living long enough to walk that girl of yours down the aisle. Either way, looks like I'm buying you a cup of coffee. Christ, I don't know how everything got so balled up. No one ever sees the haired pen until it's too late. But you didn't get handed a heater in the nursery, did you? No. I was a cab driver back in 30.
Okay, die erste Mission ist, glaube ich, Taxifahren.
I mostly drove nights because the money was better. It was at the end of one of those
Wie
shifts
geil sieht das aus,
when I
Mann.
first met Polly and Sam.
Das ist so geil einfach, Mann. Das ist auch ein fucking Movie, ich schwöre, das geht ist ein Movie.
Son of a bitch! Watch out! Get up, Polly! There's a taxi here! We'll be okay! Move it! Come on!
Where to?
Wer du?
Fast!
Okay, wir fahren schnell, Chat. Einfach schnell.
I got a gun pointed at you. They catch up, we're dead. But you don't get to walk away.
I don't want any trouble.
Well, you got trouble. Drive.
Oh,
How the hell they know we'd be
was
there?
ist das für ein Stein,
Doesn't
Mann?
matter now. We just gotta lose them. How many cars we got following? One for now.
Ah, okay, ich muss die einfach abschütteln, so. Okay.
Hold tight. I'm
Yo!
gonna try something. Who were those guys?
You don't get to ask questions.
We need to get over the river. Take the Giuliani Bridge.
Oh, okay.
Your leg okay up there?
Hey, die... Wow, das ist wirklich Gurke, Mann.
Wake up the doc.
Fucking
I don't
hell.
know, it might be okay. Just getting the call anyways. Hey, I see you listening, Cabby. You don't get to listen either.
All I'm doing is taking you guys where you want to go.
So do that.
Die Schnurren da wäre geil, Mann. Hure Scheisse, Mann.
Okay, we're at the river.
Bremsen sind
Where
für
am I
gar
taking you
nicht.
once we're over the bridge?
I'm getting tired out of questions.
Das ist so geil.
Ah, shit!
Oh oh. Ja. Was? Was mit X oder was?
That'll slow him down.
I don't care how you do
Hey,
it.
was hätte ich jetzt müssen drücken mit X? Jesus Christ. Es ist ein Movie. It's a
That was your
movie.
shortcut?
I lost him, didn't I?
Not all of them.
Didn't I?
These guys really don't like you, do they?
Sometimes business partners fall out. It happens. Quit yapping, Polly.
Oh my fucking God, das Auto!
More chance of him not seeing the sun come up.
I ain't heard
Come
a
back.
thing, fellas.
Oh, die Hupi! Wieder hier. Und die können es halt einfach nie.
You left him in the dirt. We ain't clear yet. Keep driving. Poor bastards digging the road for the works program, Hart.
Was? Okay, okay. Okay.
Gonna thank us for this.
Ja, aber gut, jetzt muss ich zuerst...
How many motors were at the exchange? 4, 5 maybe? I know with him he's called for more. Sure feels like it. Next time we take more muscle. He should have expected trouble. If the boss hears about
Bro.
this, there'll be hell to pay.
Ihr kleine Wichser, knall die mal ab jetzt! Colin McRae, Mann, jetzt, komm! Hey, du Wichser!
One hell of a wheel, man, I'll give you that.
Okay, jetzt verpissen wir uns, warte mal. Jetzt gehen wir da rechts und dann links und dann gehen wir da rüber.
More and more of them. We're not gonna last long unless we're back on our own turf. Let's get back to the neighborhood.
Das war mein Plan. Ja, jetzt kommen jetzt da halt schon wieder, Dude. Bro, du!
Harbour Bridge gotta be fast. The bridge is up, ain't it?
Und Geschwindigkeitsbegrenzer ausschalten. Ich habe einen Geschwindigkeitsbegrenzer drin gehabt.
What the hell
Los!
are we doing? Just sit
Wir
back and
gehen.
pray.
Wir fahren. Keine Eier.
Never done that before. Me neither.
Shit, ich bin fast am Arsch.
Hey, so Little Italy.
Little Italy.
Your night's
Shit,
not
Little
over.
Italy.
I didn't see this coming. You think he squealed? I think you zip it tight. We talk it through back at the bar.
Läuft da etwa Gims? Wo läuft Gims?
Okay, we're close.
Metre Gims. Oh, kennst du das?
Pull over in front of that bar.
Wo denn? Aber nicht hier,
Place. Yeah, that's the one.
oder?
Wait here.
Okay,
What for?
wild. Letti. Pluspunkte für dich.
You want a little
Ja?
something from the Don or not?
Sympathiepunkte. habe ich eigentlich das Game umgestellt? Verdammte Scheiße. Nicht, hä? Das Game ist so geil. Kanone oder Geld?
Compensation for your services. Any damage to your car. This makes us square.
I'm sure it's more than enough.
Good.
Fair and square.
Don Salieri wants you to know that he's very
Stimmt,
grateful.
der Salieri,
So
Mann.
if you ever need anything, maybe a loan or some honest work, don't hesitate to ask. Don doesn't forget his friends.
Yeah, okay, thanks.
Der Anfang vom Ende, Chat.
One more thing. This matter stays between us. Anyone asks where you got that money, you won it at poker. The scratches on your car,
Mit den Einschusslöchern, ja.
to keep from hitting a little old lady. You got it?
Of course.
See you around, kid.
Gangster, oder? Gangster. Lost Heaven. Was ist ein Empire Bay nochmal?
I could have had a heart attack. Enough to fix the cab. Nearly enough to buy a new one. I thought about what Sam said about work. I wasn't interested. The money was good, sure, but I didn't want to get in with criminals. Better to be poor and alive than rich and dead. So, right there, back then, I was out.
Hey, ich habe die Trophy bekommen, weil ich das Spiel spiele. Ist geil.
After that night with Salieri's guys, I was back working as soon as I
Ich kann
could.
leider nicht pausieren, glaube
But it felt different. You get a lot of time with your thoughts when you're a cabbie. And other people's thoughts, too.
You there, driver?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you driving or loitering?
Driving, ma'am. Always driving.
ich. Jetzt ist glaube ich am Anfang so voll langweilig mit so Taxifahren und so. Und dann irgendwann kommt dann plötzlich wieder halt Berührung mit der Mafia.
Well, what are you waiting for?
Hey, warum ist die so ja,
So, where to?
St. Michael's Church, directly.
directly, ja?
Careful, please.
I always drive careful.
Then you'd be the first.
Okay, jetzt haben wir Geschwindigkeitsbegrenzer eingeschaltet. Machen wir keine Scheiße hier.
Turn that racket off. I can't hear myself think.
Hey, was
That's
ist das
much
für ein
better.
direkt Uhren auf?
So, church. It's Sunday already?
Eyes on the road, please.
Warum muss sie so nerven die ganze Zeit? Ey, du Ficker! Die Hupe einfach. Verpiss dich! Halte dich an die Verkehrsregeln, ja. Ich versuch's. Einfach hupen. Aber wenn ich jetzt nicht das Radio müssen abstellen, ist das jetzt nicht der Radio?
By the park.
Ah, guck. Die soll ihre Schnauze haben, Mann. Jetzt wird Musik los.
Here you go. St. Michael's. That'll be 30 cents.
The only tip I'll give you is to stop smoking in your vehicle. I felt like I was sitting in an ashtray.
Sure. Whatever you say.
30 Cent. Chat.
These Italians are all the same.
Okay, dort die blauen sind, glaube ich,
Better
Fahrgäste.
find a new fare.
Das ist ein Cup. Ach so, das ist ein Cup. Ich habe gemeint, das ist ein Fahrgast. Wahrscheinlich ist das da vorne in dem Fall einer. Gomboy. So geile Huren-Taxi, Mann.
Art gallery. Get me there quick.
Sure. Quick I can do.
Quick, I can talk.
Taking some time out.
Das ist einfach Taxi-Simulator
Not
jetzt, oder?
much. Just talking.
I'm paying you to drive, so do that.
Warum sind sie alle so Wichser, Mann?
Look at him out there. The problem with this downturn is that it's made people lazy. Giving them an excuse.
The work's not out there, pal.
The work is always there. You just have to find it.
I get it. You're a busy guy. I don't see so many these days.
I saw this crapshoot depression coming. Sold up before the crash. So
Jetzt
yeah,
wieder über
I
den
get to be
dann.
busy.
Your busy day's gonna be looking at old paint.
I have a business meeting there with a colleague. Not that it's anything to do with you. If you ever find a real job, then maybe you'll understand. Until then, drive and quit bothering me.
Yeah, I get you.
Thanks, pal. Here's 50 cents. Don't spend it all at once.
I'll try not to. Every fare today's been a son of a bitch. On to the next.
3 is a charm, musst schauen. Der dritte wird wild. Oh, ist das ein... Ist ein Mobster. Best nice. Das ist ein Mobster, oder?
Oh boy, you look like shit.
I've been working since 5. What's your excuse?
Booze.
Figures. Where are we
Der,
going?
der ist
Little
etwas...
Italy.
Little Italy.
21st Street.
Der ist etwas offen, Chat.
Okay. If I don't tell the cops
Little
about the liquor on
Italy.
your breath, you don't tell them when I break the limit. Good deal.
Right deal. Got any good fares today?
Yeah, so,
Wie eine
never
Schnurte.
enough of them.
Who's got the money?
Extra,
for
extra,
cab
read
rates
all
since
about
the
it.
Market tanked and it all went to shit, I guess. Only reason I got you taking me places is I'm drunk and don't know better.
Er ist auch richtig besorgt.
Cops
Ne?
see enough drunk fellas. They're only after the people moving it and selling it.
Yeah, but I've seen them go after guys for less.
Guess so. If they think they can shake something out of you, they will use any excuse. This city's corrupt as all hell.
Sure is.
Nearly there. Just up here on the corner, please. Hey, my cousin has a coffee stand around the corner. Tell him Lucio sent you. Take a break, huh?
Thanks. Might just do that.
Das ist die Berührung, Chat. Jetzt kommt die Mafia-Scheiße. Der Sumpf.
Jesus. Hey, how you doing, pal? You remember me? Yeah?
Who the fuck are you, man?
Huh? Mr. Morello's a little bent. Shouldn't go helping Salieri's goons, huh?
Ah, das ist die Opposition.
Just so you always remember who runs this town. Make it so you won't do much rocking for a while. Look at this guy. I didn't think he'd make it fun. Let's get him.
Ja, wir auch niemand. Okay, ich hab gemeint, ich könnte da durch. Drei Eckchen zum Gumpen. Jesus Christ. Weg! Die Steuerung ist wild, Mann. Oh! Ist nur einer angeschossen worden. Oh, da mag ich mich erinnern, das. Schnell, Chat! Bruder. Wohin? Geh weg! Ja, der findet mich gar nicht mehr, der andere Trottel.
Look at this.
Oh, das Salieri.
How you doing, kid? Dino, Lou. You got business with the Don?
Nah, we just trying to talk to that cabbie over there, that's all.
That right.
Yeah.
Well, this here's the Don's favorite driver. So anything you gotta say to him, you can say to me.
Is that right? Well, I'll tell you something, pal. We ain't leaving empty-handed, that's for sure.
Well, then maybe you ain't leaving at all.
Okay, then. See your boys around. Let's go, Lou.
Thanks.
Least we could do.
Come on, let's go say hi to the Don.
Don Salieri?
Yeah. He's gonna want to hear about this.
Das ist so geil. So wieder schon. Kapitel abgeschlossen. Auf der Flucht. So, Chat. Noch eine Mission. Dann ist fertig. Molotov-Feti.
What do they call you, son?
Thomas. Thomas Angelo, sir.
Frank told me you ran into some trouble?
Yes, sir. My cab got smashed up pretty good.
Morello's thugs went after him on account of Tommy helping us.
This, taxi. That's your livelihood?
Yes, sir.
I feel a sense of responsibility here. So I'm gonna set you up with a small loan, enough to get that cab of yours fixed.
Again.
I appreciate that, sir, but I'm not looking for a handout.
Then what are we doing here?
I just want a shot at the bastards who wrecked my cab.
You hear that, Frank? The kid wants permission to get into a fight.
Yes, I heard.
Okay, Tommy Angelo. All the Morello's girls hang out at a bar he owns. Paul, you know the place.
Sure do, boss.
Good. You can ride along with Tommy. There's a lot right next to the bar where they park their cars.
Jetzt mit den Autos zusammenschlafen denen.
Morello a message. He can't rough up hard-working Joes in my neighborhood without getting a black eye.
Thank you, Mr. Salieri. I won't let you down.
And Tommy, when you get back, we'll talk about what's next for you.
Tommy. Ja, jetzt muss ich glaube Autos simulieren dort.
So tread careful, okay?
Sure.
The boss finished yet?